A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Hey, no ramp with God, you know. I'm serious about him things them. And him will beat you and run you out of house. But still, him love you. And him will call you for trusting him. Greetings. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 2 from verse 13 to verse 25. Now, at the nearly time for the Passover holiday, so Jesus go up to Jerusalem. When him reach there, him see people a sell cow and sheep and dove in the yard, which part God house there. And he see the people them will change out money too, and sit down at them table. So he get some rope and take them, make one whip. Then he use the whip and run out the whole of the seller them out of the yard. Them and then cow and then sheep and them dove. He lick over the people them where change out money kind them. And he turn over all of them table them. Him say to them, where did I sell the dove them say? Take where they sitting here out here. No take me father house town market. Said time this happen. Him follower them member. Oh God would say. The way me love your house, it they go cause me for dead. So the Jew leader them ask him say, what kind of miracle you can work for we? What kind of sign you can give? For sure we say you have the right for do all of them sitting here. So Jesus said to them, say, tear down and mash up the house here, and me will build it up back in a 3 days. Them answer him back and say, 46 years it take to make the house here. And you go and build it up back in a hunger 3 days? But I know God house Jesus did not talk about. I body him did not talk about. No. After Jesus dead and come back alive, him follower them member, so him did sitting there. And them believe or write down in a God word and what Jesus did say. Now, when Jesus did still there Jerusalem, pan the Passover holiday, enough people put them trust in him. Because they see the miracle them when him walk. But Jesus never trust them, none at all. Because him did don't know how people turn. Nobody ne have to tell him about how people turn. Because him did know already what in a people hearts. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.